We will begin this segment with a story with which I am sure many of you are familiar, the story of the 6 blind men and the elephant. 6 blind men were once asked to approach an elephant and explain what it was. The first man touched the tail and said it was a rope. The second blind man disagreed with the first and said that the object that they were encountering was not a rope, but rather a pillar. He was touching the leg. And so it was with the other men, who were all touching different parts of the elephant. The man touching the elephant's ear claimed it was a fan. The man touching the trunk said it was a snake. And the man touching the stomach insisted that it must be a drum. The 6th man, who'd actually climbed on top of the elephant, insisted it was none of these things, but rather a large platform. This story, and there are many versions, but it's used to describe the concept of Anekantavad, or non-one-sidedness. Anekantavad is a foundational concept of Jainism, a religion that developed out of and alongside the orthodox Vedic philosophies, which we now call Hinduism. The doctrine holds that there is no one absolute truth, and that numerous apparently divergent truths may exist simultaneously and side by side. It acknowledges the concepts of partial truth, Naya, and perspective-based truth, Sayad. Although Anekantavad is mentioned far less than the other famous concept from the Jains, ahimsa, non-violence, through centuries it has arguably had an equal influence over Indian philosophical and cultural traditions.